y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I am going to be showing you how to make this and give you my thoughts on it. So I found this at Target and I was intrigued, and I said I've got to try it out, but I should share that experience with you. So if you want to see what I think, just keep watching, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is follow the package instructions and add 6 cups of water to a medium saucepan, and stir in the noodles, and then drain off the noodles, and then set your noodles to the side. Then you'll take 1.5 teaspoons of vegan butter and a 1/3 cup of some plant-based milk of your choice, and I'm just mixing all that together before I add in our powdered cheese. So I'm adding this in, and then you want to just make sure that everything is well combined before you add your noodles back in. So just making sure to get out all the lumps. And you see me here adding the pasta and then making sure that all the noodles are well coated. That's it.
All right, y'all, tasting it straight out of the pot. Okay, it's creamy. It does give like a cheese-ish flavor, but it needs seasoning. You could definitely eat it like this, but for like top experience, I would add some seasoning. Let me add some seasoning right now. All right, y'all, got my go-tos. I got that Creole style seasoning, that Tony Chachere's, and I got some garlic salt. So I'm gonna do a little bit with the Tony's. No, I'm gonna do a little with the garlic salt first. Fire with the garlic salt. And with the Tony's, #100% garlic salt for the win. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.